You need to have a sense of urgency. You need to look yourself in the mirror and you need to tell yourself, you know what, self, I'm done playing games. I'm done pump faking with my potential. I'm done creating counter intentions with my goals. I'm done making excuses. I'm done not believing in myself. I'm done listening to the naysayers. I'm done of not having the confidence because somebody else told me I can't do this. You need to tell yourself to stop that because I have a solution. And here's the thing that I often tell people. I'm here to convince you that you can do this. I'm here to convince you that I've been showing you statistics for the past 10 years. See, let me just address this up front because I see sometimes we get people that may ask these questions. Will, what makes you different? I produce results. Will, what makes you different? I've invested in all the other gurus and I'm not investing in another guru. What makes me different is I'm not trying to buy your likeness. Meaning, I'm not trying to show you my cars for you to like me. I'm not showing you houses for you to like me. I'm not showing you the trips and the bottle service and all of the extravagant things. I could show you my watch collection. I could show you all of that stuff. That doesn't teach you anything but to admire something that most people would never have. Only thing I've done is shown you the X's and O's backed with the proof, backed with the statistics, back with the actual plan of execution for you to do it. I don't have to sell you on stuff. I deliver results. That's what makes me different. And I have a real solution. I'm not asking you to go get a bunch of credit cards so you can travel for free. I'm showing you how to make a living owning real estate, something that you already living in, but you ain't making money from it. And here's the solution. How do you fix your ruin? How do you fix your ruin? You fix your ruin first. You must acknowledge that you have a financial ruin. I got broke people trying to give me financial advice. See, here's the thing that I've learned. Unfortunately, and I'm going to just put it out there like this. In the black community, we think that just because someone offers a program, it's a scam. Let me tell you, first of all, I'm not telling you to put your money in with Will Roundtree. I've had people try to bring me money so that they can do a deal with me. I won't take it. See, I'm trying to teach you how to fish. See, when I told you my friend who went and invested $40,000 to join that multifamily investment program, they don't teach you how to go buy multifamilies. What they do is they covert it and teach you to go out there and find the multifamily buildings. Then you have to bring it back to them, give you a little percentage. It was like 1%. So essentially he invested $40,000 to make phone calls to find buildings for the multifamily program. And then he gets 1% of the deal. So basically it was really real estate syndication. It wasn't real estate investing. I teach people how to actually go out, get the property, they own it, they make money from it forever. That's what I teach you. But see, again, you can't see an opportunity to seize it until you first acknowledge that you have a financial ruin and you got to do something different. So whenever somebody has a gripe with Will Roundtree, it can't be because I haven't done anything to those individuals. What it is, they're upset at where they are in their life and they haven't figured out how to break through. And that's okay. So I'm gonna pray for y'all. Number 2. Stop taking advice from unsuccessful people. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. See, the reason I show y'all my property statements that show that I actually own the property, because I want you to see, I don't make money off the programs. If I was making money solely, if I was only making money or my only source of income was these coaching programs, I would damn sure sell them for at least 30, 40,000 because that's the market value. The market value for what I put together is at least 30 to 40,000, if not 50,000. So that everybody is clear. And let me explain this for those in the back. The reason that you have to make an investment, because unfortunately, that is the only way people take it serious. If college was free, none of y'all wouldn't even go to class. You know how I know? Because the dropout rate keeps increasing. But when you pay for that degree, when you pay for that piece of paper you put on your wall, whether it works or not, you show up to that class every day, whether you think you're going to make something out of it or not. So stop taking advice from unsuccessful people. Don't get off this and go ask your brokest friend, what you think about real estate investing? Well, I don't know. Well, I wouldn't invest. But meanwhile, they own nothing. They sleep on your couch. How are you taking advice from somebody living and sleeping in your house? Couch surfing. A good friend of mine introduced me to this hedge fund company. And this hedge fund company that I'm in communication with is actually looking at licensing my content to teach high schoolers. And he said, Will, I don't want to put my attention on trying to teach adults real estate. They not coachable. I want to teach high schoolers. They not asking a bunch of questions. They not they're like, look, I want to go. If the program says go right, I'm turning right. If the program says jump up, I'm jumping up. But with adults, sometimes we take all of these ruins and all of the things that we've been through in life, and then we create all of these excuses and all of these counter intentions and all of this stuff. And then we get so confused. And then when something is presented to us and it slaps us in our face and it makes sense, we find every reason and excuse to not to do it. And then we mad at the world when we see everybody else winning, but we not winning because you went and asked somebody else who was unsuccessful what they should do. Stop treating your business like a hobby. One of my mentees, Jalen Flowers, he said, Will, send me the invoice. That's his tagline. Send me the invoice. And he understands that there's an opportunity cost to business. You can't make $1 million in business if you don't spend at least $250,000. That's a proven fact. Why do you think every time people go on Shark Tank, those who don't put money into their business never get a deal? Why? Because how you gonna have somebody else put more money into your deal than you do? If you don't believe in it, why should I? If you don't believe in your own vehicle, i.e. whatever vehicle you're looking to become successful at, why should I put more money into it? Stop treating your business like a hobby. Here's a big one. If you're trying to fix your financial ruin, you got to learn how to start investing in, whether that's a business coach, a real estate coach, mentoring, business professionals. How is it that you want to learn how to be a millionaire for free, but you just went and paid $200,000 to go make $25,000 a year? Blows my mind. We keep sending our kids to college, paying $300,000 for a 4-year degree for them to come out and make $37,000. Next one, how to fix your ruin. Stop missing out on opportunities by investing in things that promise overnight returns or promise overnight success. If you guys notice, for those who've been following me, I never talk about you becoming a millionaire. I talk to you about how to build $1 million portfolio. I talk about how to build $1 million net worth. But all it is reverse engineering. You have to pay for your $1 million business, pay for your $1 million portfolio, pay for your $1 million in assets. And there's a cost to that. So here's the solution. It's really simple. I do my best to simplify it. Imagine there being a proven formula for success. And it is understanding that there is a science to hitting your goal. So when we think about real estate, and having $1 million real estate portfolio. Imagine there's a building that I can go and buy. Let's say this is the building, and the building is $1 million. All I have to do is reverse engineer, meaning how much will it cost me to buy this building? Just like you can go buy $1 million business, or you can go buy $1 million in art and watches, an asset that will make you money forever. I can finance 75% of this $1 million thing, whatever it is. All I have to do is go get $250,000. I show you how to get that $250,000 so you can buy your $1 million asset. It's really that simple. See, I'm going to remove the emotions. I'm going to remove the overthinking. I'm going to remove the reasonableness. I'm going to remove the uncertainty. I'm going to remove the counterintention. I'm going to remove the ruin. I'm helping you remove all of that. See, if I know that in order for me to bake a cake that will taste good enough to where I can sell it in my bakery, I need 2 pinches of sugar, I need a couple eggs, I need some vanilla extract, etc., etc. See, a lot of you are trying to sell cakes with dirt in there. A lot of you are trying to sell cakes with the wrong ingredients. You keep wondering why you're not getting a cake. See, we teach you how to obtain unsecured credit from the bank to invest in real estate, an asset that generates ongoing income. The rental from the investment property will cover the loan payments, and after all the expenses are paid, you'll pocket the difference as profit. This strategy enables you to create income and achieve financial freedom, all without ever using your own money. See, I'm not teaching you a strategy that Will Roundtree invented. All I did is went out there and paid hundreds of thousands of dollars for information, and I decided to come back and deliver it into a language that we all can understand. Okay? So if you look at this graph on the side, you're the acquirer. You're going to go to the bank, or we show you how to go to the banks and we can show you how to get the money. Okay. And then we're going to take that money to buy said property. Okay. And then from that said property, we're going to take this money and pay it back to the bank. and then we're going to make profits. It's really that simple.